ちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? This is grammar video number 27 of JLPT 4. And this is the third part, part 3 of 自動詞 intransitive verb and 他動詞 transitive verbs. At first, intransitive verb, someone is found or something is found. Someone が見つかる or something が見つかる。This is group 1. 見つかる、見つかります。見つかって、見つかった、見つからない。The wallet is not found. I'm looking for it everywhere. I'm trying, but my wallet is not found. In this case, we use this pattern. Something が見つかりません。In this case, wallet が見つかりません。Wallet, we say お財布、お財布。And in this sentence, I'm gonna use this adverb なかなか and the last part is the negative and it means I'm struggling to do something. I'm trying so hard, but in this adverb, very, very useful one, this is なかなか and the last part negative. I've already made a video about this adverb なかなか and negative one. And this is my grammar video number 15 of JLPT and 4. お財布がなかなか見つかりません。お財布がなかなか見つかりません。お財布がなかなか見つからない。Now the transitive one, it means someone finds something or someone finds someone. Here, someone or something を見つける、見つけます。And this is the second group of the verb, A sound. So this is very easy because it doesn't change anything. 見つける、見つけます、見つけて、見つけた、見つけない。My grandson found the wallet. 孫がお財布を見つけてくれました。孫がお財布を見つけてくれました。Maybe you don't know why I said 見つけてくれました instead of only 見つけました。When I say てくれました、見つけてくれました、it means he helped me. He did a favor for me. Anyway, you can watch my grammar video 127, 128, 129 of JLPT and 5. Then I explained about this very, very in detail. The verb to recover from the illness or to get over one's illness or to be cured. So here, this part, something, this is always the name of the illness. が治る、治ります。This is group 1. 治る、治ります。治って、治った、治らない。I recovered from my illness, so from tomorrow I'm gonna work again. 病気が治りましたから、病気が治りましたから、明日からまた働きます。病気が治りましたから、明日からまた働きます。Now the transitive verb, it means someone cures the illness or someone heals something. So something を治す。In this case, this is also group 1. Till here, always different one, 1, 2 or 2 or 1. But now, this time, 治る、治す。Both are the group 1. 治す、治します。治して、治した。治さない。Please cure my grandson's illness. 孫の病気を治してください。孫の病気を治してください。This doctor is good at curing cancer and very famous. The vocabulary cancer, がん with this kanji, quite difficult one, but we can also write, in many occasions we write in katakana, がん。この医者はがんを治す。がんを治すことが上手でとても有名です。この医者はがんを治すことが上手でとても有名です。I just told 治すことが上手 but I can change this こと to no. It means 治すのが上手。この医者はがんを治すのが上手でとても有名です。この医者はがんを治すのが上手でとても有名です。The next verb, at first intransitive verb, something is hung. Something is hung. かかる。This is group 1. So かかる。かかります。かかって。かかった。かからない。And the transitive verb, something をかける。It means I hang something or I put something over. Anyway, these verbs, かかる、かける。There are lots of meanings of them, so it's quite difficult to explain you them all. So I think it's better to learn some sentences by heart, and because they are very useful to know it. For example, 時間がかかる。It takes time. お金がかかる。It costs money. About how long does it take? Very useful expression. About how long, about how much, about how many. どれくらい、どれぐらい、どのくらい、どのぐらい。You can use any of these, the same meaning, okay? You can watch my grammar video number 53 of JLPT N5, and then you can watch this video. どれぐらい時間がかかりますか？どれぐらい時間がかかりますか？ About how much money does it cost? どのぐらいお金がかかりますか？どのぐらいお金がかかりますか？ It's locked with a key. 鍵がかかる。But in this case, this is the state. So we usually say 鍵がかかっています。It's locked with a key. But now the transitive verb, someone locks with a key. Then 鍵をかけます。鍵をかけます。I spend my time doing something, or I put my effort doing something with my own time. 時間をかける。時間をかけます。I spend my time in Japanese, or I spend hours in Japanese. 日本語に時間をかけます。日本語に時間をかけます。I spend money, but not spend, it's like wasting money, but I think this is useful. So I put my money here. お金をかける。I spend money on education. The word education. 教育。教育。In this 漢字、教、this is 教えます。to teach. 行く、this one is 育ちます。to growing up. So someone is growing up with this kind of something that someone has taught this person. 教育、education. 教育にお金をかけます。教育にお金をかけます。Something gets dirty. Something が汚れます。汚れる。This is group 2. The glasses get dirty at once. Glasses. メガネ。メガネがすぐ汚れます。メガネがすぐ汚れます。Now the transitive verb, to make something dirty, or to stain, or to dirty. Something を汚します。This is group 1. So 汚します。汚す。 汚して、汚した、汚さない。Don't dirty your new suit. 新しいスーツ。新しいスーツを汚さないでね。新しいスーツを汚さないでね。The verb to stick to or something is attached. This is intransitive verb. Something がつく。つきます。This is group 1. つきます。つく。ついて、ついた、つかない。There's some chocolate on your face. 顔。顔にチョコレートがついていますよ。顔にチョコレートがついていますよ。This lighter doesn't work. The lighter when you smoke a cigarette. ライター。このライターは火がつきません。このライターは火がつきません。In this hotel, breakfast buffet is included in this price. This word 料金 is quite useful to remember because this means the price, but also fee, tuition, charge, and these kind of things. 料金。このホテルはこの料金で朝食ビュッフェがつきます。このホテルはこの料金で朝食ビュッフェがつきます。Now the transitive verb something をつけます。This is group 2, so very easy one. There are lots of meanings. For example, to attach, to affix, or to add, and also to apply some cream. After washing dishes, I apply hand cream. Vocabulary, plates, お皿。And the verb to wash, 洗います。And this is the grammar form, た form of the verb, 竹い、た後で、た後に、た後。If you don't remember very well about this た後で、おた後に、おた後, then you can watch my grammar video number 93 of JLPT N5. Hand cream in Japanese is almost the same. ハンドクリーム。お皿を洗った後にハンドクリームをつけます。お皿を洗った後にハンドクリームをつけます。Now I want to explain you very interesting and useful expressions using this つくをつける。Add this kanji 気 is inner energy. 気がつく、気がつきます。It is like the inner energy is on. In English, it's like to notice or to realize. For example, I didn't realize anything at all. 全然気がつきませんでした。Now the transitive verb 気をつける、気をつけます。It means to be careful. So, be careful. 気をつけてね。Other one 身につける。This means body. The literary meaning is I affix or I attach something or I put something on my body. And now this thing that I applied myself, this is now a part of my body. Actually, this means to learn something so well. So this is now a part of me. I learned the bass so well. So this is just a part of me. 基礎, this is the base. 基礎を身につけます。I want to learn the skill or I want to learn the technique very well. Then スキル、技術 the same. スキルを身につけたいです。 技術を身につけたいです。Please learn Japanese very, very well so that Japanese is like just part of you. 日本語を身につけてください。日本語を身につけてください。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目。I found a very interesting book in the library yesterday. 2番目。Well, I'm trying very hard, but my cold just doesn't go away. I want you to use this word, cold, the illness, cold, 風邪. I told you a quite long sentence, but actually it's not so long. It's much easier than you might think. Well, なかなか this adverb is very useful one. Do you remember? I want you to use this なかなか. Then you can make the sentence much shorter. And remember, the last part of the sentence is always the negative one, okay? 3番目、最後です。Please don't dirt the toilet. I think you understand transitive verbs and intransitive verbs better than before, right? And this is only part 3, and I want to continue with part 4. In these transitive and intransitive verbs, you are learning a lot of verbs, the new words, and I know it's very difficult to learn all of them by heart. But don't worry, maybe you can make sentences using any of these verbs. If you think I could help you improve your Japanese, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. And if you can, please help me sharing my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日も自動詞と他動詞を続けて勉強してきました。これはもうパート3ですよね。でもまだパート4にも続きますよ。自動詞を勉強すると急にたくさんの動詞が出てきて、本当に全部覚えるのは大変だと思います。でも私のビデオを見ながら少しずつでも頭に入っていけばとても嬉しいです。それにいっぺんに全部覚えようとしなくても少しずつ覚えていけば十分です。できれば今習った動詞を使ってあなた自身の文を作ってみたら、それもとても勉強になると思いますよ。私のビデオが少しでも役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひぜひ忘れないでいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。